What's up, Al Globus clients and subcontractors, whatever you are, you can do it. My wife can do this gate. This gate took my professional installers about 30 minutes to put together. So what we have, you do your 45 cuts on each corner, you put your special extruder inside, and then you just go one by one, put the composite pieces together. They're TNG, so it's a no-brainer. Very easy to do. You got your aluminum slat to keep everything tight. Then another one down there. Super easy, super convenient. You got your nice lock, deadbolt, handle, very nice. Everything comes pre-powder coated. So it's a very, very no-brainer. Don't wait for powder coating, welding, chipping, grinding, all that crap. Just take it and thrash it to the side. Focus on Alu Globus and it's gonna make your life easier. You can do your cycle way faster. If it takes you 40 minutes to do this, think how long it took you to do a metal gate with wood inside. I'll tell you how long. A week to 2 weeks, including the powder coating time, the assembly of the wood, and the painting or staining. This comes already painted. It comes already stained both sides, right? Because it's the product itself. No maintenance, your clients are happy. You cut half of your callbacks, or even maybe 80% of your callbacks. Because even if there's a scratch, it won't see. DIYers, it's also a possibility. The gates, you will need some help from a professional. Maybe pedestrian gates, some of your warriors can absolutely do it from our videos, and we can also do a FaceTime. The fences is a no-brainer. You put your post in concrete, you put your bottom channel, and then you put your next post, and you just repeat. That's an absolute no-brainer. My wife and her girlfriend can probably do it. If you should just see it one time, we always show our clients how to do it. Subcontractors, fence companies, come on guys, this is a no-brainer for you. The prices are absolutely unbeatable if you compare to redwood and like nice frames and powder coating. You can pick up a 70 feet fence in one day, 120 feet fence in 2 days. It's mind-blowing, and it's gonna make your cycle way faster and way smarter. It looks absolutely fantastic. We got 5 colors. The frame, we got 2 colors. I like the locks. This is now actually working with a Durbird system, so it's a no-brainer. It works great. Got hydraulic spring there. The gate sagged. No problem. Take it off, put it on the table, open your joints, cut the boards, close your joints back, put the door back. 3 hours, you're gone. Imagine doing that with steel. Not really gonna happen. You're gonna have to take it, grind it, cut it, shape it, blah, 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 blah. So supply and demand, we have stock on the floor. We're manufacturing on a daily basis. Anyway, guys, California subcontractors, fence guys, whoever you are, you need training, you need help, you need samples, call us up. We're here for you. We want to make money together and give you the future of gates and fences. So you need to be a hassle-free. No more depending on welders to be welding on time and cutting on time and trucks bringing the metal on time. Your clients are calling you. You can literally sell the job today, pick it up or have a delivery and install in 3 days. And then on top of that, you tell them that it's rust-free, maintenance-free, shipping, cracking, sagging, all that crap free. Who will not buy it? It's Alu Globus. It's the future. It's a no-brainer. So check our profile out on Instagram. I got a bunch of videos and jobs that are already done and super satisfied clients. This will make your business go from here to here. If you were almost gonna give up on the metal because of the pricing, I can get you here, guys. Fast cycle, right? That's gonna make your clients super excited and super fun about it. All right, check it out, Alu Globus. We'll see you guys next time. So here we have our Alu Globus on a motorized gate, and it's on a slope. So even slope gates is possible to do. We can teach you how to do it from A to Z. You will need conductors from galvanized steel, and posts could be steel or aluminum. It's up to you. This gate was put up in 1 day only. Saves you time and money, and the cycles of your job will be absolutely much faster. It's a very sunny, hot day here in LA. Pieces are pretty hot. but still it's composite, so you're not going to have the waste and the problems that you got with wood. People love it. You can just literally spray your hose and clean it with a combination of aluminum frame. It's a no-brainer for you guys. You got your aluminum slats holders in between. These conductors are super intelligent. There are also TNG, so the board on the bottom and the board on top stay intact. And we also have a channel that slides in, which tacks the aluminum post to post, which is super intelligent. For the motors, we do a components of a bracket and a through bolt. It's very easy and simple to do. Any handyman can do it. Probably recommend sliding gauge to have a fully professional gate installer do. We have guide roller kits from galvanized steel. We can prep your post. We plug in the hose later with plastic caps. Everything comes out super clean. Once again, you got the wood look without the wood maintenance, right? Look at all the decking today. All the decking are the composite. We got to get the fences on the same level, because if you're going to keep doing wood, the composite companies are going to be here shining. Because imagine guy telling him, hey, I'm going to take me 2 weeks to do it, and he tells you 3 days. It's a no-brainer. And putting on top of it the speed and the maintenance and all that benefits, completely out of scale. The posts come powder coated throughout. You got channels. You can customize your slats if you want to have gap or solid. In this application, we went with a solid TNG, but the same TNG composite can be or shrink the size. We have a job that we're doing the composite about 3 inches, and then 2 channels top and bottom. That is one of the sickest designs of all. Keep in mind also, it's already powder coated. You just put your components and slide it in. Very easy, but super strong, guys. This is very strong material. I have numerous testing on the YouTube channels, on the other videos. Check it out. I'm blasting a piece of wood on it and it just shatters. You have to convince your clients that wood, it's just not good anymore, because you don't want to listen to your client and then hurt your pocket when he calls you back for a callback. Because even if the wood warps, you still got to go back there. So this is going to save you a lot of hassle. Now keep in mind another tip. It's good for front yards and it's good for backyards, because in the backyard, Ipe and Caillou and mahogany, all that's going to break your band. So you're really left with not so many choices to choose from. El Globus just ties it all in. You can make your sliders, your double gates, your single gates, your fences. It's very durable and it's very strong. Diameters are 3 inches. Composite is about 3/4 of an inch. And also keep in mind, you got leftovers, make planters. That's so nice. We'll show you in the next video making some planters for our clients. This is the future of gates. Check it out. We'll send you a sample and we'll see you next time. El Globus, Ronnie here representing in the sunny LA. Keep in mind, I'm looking for partners throughout California. DM us and take your level of clientele, your business, and everything you're done till this day. From here to here within 1 week, I promise you.